Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to set date and time in your Android phone. And I'm going to teach you in the easiest way. Some people may find difficulty, so I'm going to teach you the most possible easiest way. And here we go. Firstly, you have to scroll down and you can go to setting, right? You can, here it is setting, so you have to touch here in this setting button. After that you come into the setting, and here you can find a lot of options, right? If your phone consists of additional setting, then you have to go here. Otherwise, in other Android phone, you can find in display, but here you cannot find in. This is my Poco C3 mobile, so you cannot find date and time setting here, so you have to go to other setting, and then you can see the option called date and time here. So click here, and here comes the time. And firstly, let's off it. And if you want to select as per your needs, then you have to click here. Firstly, let's do our time. Click here. Then what do you want to do? What's the time? You can set according to it and do it. And here is something more. Look here, time format. What does this means is, if you want to put that after 12 o'clock, if you want that 13 o'clock, 14 o'clock, 15 o'clock, then you have to do 24 hours format. Otherwise you can do 12 hours format. It means that after 12 o'clock it comes 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and in 24 hours format it come after 12 o'clock it comes 13 o'clock, 14 o'clock. And that's the main difference between 12 hour system and 24 hour system. So you can choose as per your need, and you can select your time zone. What is your time zone? And you can select anyone, but it's your choice. And I have already taught you how to do the time setting. Now it's the time of date, so you can choose what's the day today, and look at the calendar once, and you can know when it is. And after that you can do okay. If it is the today's date, then you can click okay. Then you have set the time and date, and this is the simplest way to set time and date in your Android phone. If you have any confusion, then let me know in the comment section. And this was the video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. And for today, thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.